to myself when there's no one else around. I said it's not my fault. I said it's not my fault. I'm lost in my mind, stuck in this coffin of mine. I gotta try to get out. You gotta help me 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 get out. Oh, you gotta help me get out. You gotta help me get out, 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 out. You gotta help me get out, 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 out. You gotta feeling fine where the lid is. Desperate to find where you went wrong, you did it, cause it led you to me just a minute before I bit it. So take me to church if you want me to stop believing, but I'll never be anything until I visibly see it. Cause fate is just a myth, cause someone is gonna cause it, and it's gone before you know it. So find a way you can pause it and wait. I got 87 seconds till I drown. If the water's froze with no one else around.